Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete profiles on Netflix. So if you use Netflix as your regular video stream app, you can try to delete one of your profile on this app. For example, I made kids profile here and I want to delete it. So you can tap on pencil at the top of your screen, and this is the manage profiles option. You can tap on one of your profile that you want to delete. So this one, you can scroll down and tap on delete profile. So feel free to try to delete one of your profiles on Netflix app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. See you in the next video.